Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt's live streaming. I'm Caitlin, and our company specializes in commercial diesel parts. And today I would like to show you one of our hot-selling valve assembly. Let's take a look. And firstly, let's see the outside package blue VCI roast bag. And here this is the label. Then the first line is the Shumatt's brand, and the product code is F00ZC01319. And actually for this kind of logo, the label, packages, etc., we can support a customized service. And now let's open it. The plastic bottles can be better prevent some hurt during the translation, and inside is one layer of the oil paper to wrap it up. That's the valve assembly. This one applicable injector number is 04451110557. And this one applicable for vehicle car is for MAHIHDRA. That's the valve cap. This is the valve rod. Actually, if you want to clean this kind of valve assembly, you'd better to clean with the oil, don't clean with the water. And for this valve assembly, we supply 6 months warranty, so this product has the quality guaranteed. So much for this one. At last, if you want to know more, remember send us by the comments or send us by the messages. So much for today. Thank you for staying with me. Let's see you next time. Bye.